So one more problem in the Volkswagen Group's keyless entry system is this thing, start stop button. So after 3 or 4 years this thing gets too hard and then this happens. Before this thing happens, let me tell you some of the things you can do to prevent this thing and actually repair this switch, because you don't need to change this thing. Just for a switch it's too expensive. The vehicle is parked in direct sunlight, so let's go inside and tell you what you need to do. So the very first thing we need to do is we need to remove these clips by just pressing them backwards. So both of the clips removed. Now we need to unclip 4 clips. One is behind the part number sticker, 2, 3 and 4. After unclipping these clips, this back portion can be pulled out. As you can see, I've unclipped this thing and you just need to pull that out. And these are the components of the switch. And as you can see, the contact pads are pretty well. There's no issue here, and the button usually don't develop a issue on the printed circuit board. It's more likely that the problem is with this thing. How? And we usually ignore this part. So let me zoom in a little and give you a view. So as you can see, these blue contactors have metal infused in them so that they can short out these connecting pads to start and stop the engine. So what you need to do is you need to scrub off a little bit of these contactors, because as they have metal infused and metal can get oxidized over time and lose its ability to conduct. What you do is you just need to scrub these contactors off with a small screwdriver. Do not apply much force as they are brittle, they can break, so just a little bit of scrub will work. After scrubbing a little bit of material off the contactors, now you just need to repack it again in the way it was before, and you saved close to $100 or 8,000 rupees on the switch. Make sure to place these clips back on.